Yo, what is going up, guys? It's here back with another video. This video we are doing a tutorial on how to make a thumbnail for your video. So right now I am rendering a video that you should be seeing like around, I have no idea when, but back to the tutorial. So to make a thumbnail, you want to go to your web browser. There's nothing that you need to download. It's the same thing on making your channel art from my other video. First, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Pixlr. And then, as you can see here, there's my thumbnails from the past. So what you're gonna do is create new. You wanna name your thumbnail. Since that video was about tips and shirt. No, actually, Fortnite thumbnail. I have no idea what to name it. I'm just gonna name it Fortnite thumbnail tips and tricks. TNT. I don't even care anymore. Alright, and then put no background in it. And the width is 1920 by 1080, normal, and there. So one thing that you want to search up is, let me see. Okay, so first what you want to do is think about what you want to make a thumbnail. So since mine is a tips and tricks video, I'm gonna make it about, what should a thumbnail look like? Maybe like, I have an idea. Going over here to transparent. I can't spell transparent. I think I'm going to use this one. This one looks pretty dope. I don't know. Or this one. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna use this one. All you want to do is save image as, I don't know what skin is that. I'm just gonna call it scary person skin. Transparent, not transgender. Okay, save. Now you need to find a background. Fortnite background. I'm just gonna use this one because, like, I have the dark background, so I'm gonna use this one. Save image as. I'm gonna name it Fortnite back. Name it dark background. Save, and then boom. So we have our person and our thumbnail. So I think we're pretty set. So I'm gonna go to here to add image. I'm gonna first put the background since it's a background. What you want to do is put the width up here, 1920 by 1080. Lock it here. It should be able to lock by itself. Boom, like that. And then right here, let's add a blur. Put filter right here. Blur right here. 20, just 20. 20. There you go. Add another image. I'm gonna add a scary person Fortnite. I don't even know. I'm gonna probably put it like around here. Make her bigger to make her like see, like around like that. That looks pretty good so far. Is you wanna go here to plus sign. I'm gonna add text. Do we see? I'm gonna add booba because, like, I'm gonna do that. Actually, no, not booba. This one, the daddy day. I don't know why it's doing like that, but okay. I'm gonna do how to get better. So, like, I don't really want this to be like too much clickbaiting, but, like, make it catchy, Make this orange. Make the size of this even bigger, like that, yeah, like that. I'm gonna add an outline, make that black. You wanna go to punch out? What's a punch out? No, not punch out. Size like that. How to get better. I think we're gonna do another text. I'm gonna make this instant improvement. There we go. Make this blue. Actually not blue because like that matches with the background so you can't really see it. What goes with orange? Red, right? Yep, red. Outline, boom. I'm gonna go black. Size a bit bigger like that. Pops out a lot. Instant improvement. And then of course I'm just gonna add, you know, just something to like this empty space right here, like that. Right here. Boom, that looks actually pretty sick though. How should I make this better? Like that, right? I'm gonna also add empty, drawing, shape tool, line size like 10, like 10. I'm gonna make my border line, like, if I can do this correctly. I can't even see myself. Like that. Let me see. This is on the way. Alright. Add it right over there. You know, like to make it stand out, you know. And bam! It actually looks pretty sick, actually. I think this is perfect on how it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like. Oh yeah, forgot. I keep forgetting to do this. Save here. Like to save your image. 90%. I'm gonna go to download, and then it's done. That's your thumbnail. But look at this thumbnail. Man, looking pretty good actually. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'm just gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.